Hey everyone, I'm Nathan, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on our PDMS lenses, how to use them, what the process should look like, and I'm going to give a few examples of taking zoomed in images. So as you guys probably know, our PDMS lenses are these small spherical things that you can stick onto your smartphones in order to make into kind of mini microscope. So that's what we're going to do. So the first step, obviously, you just take this, you put it on the camera of your smartphone, and make sure it's as centered as possible and that it completely covers the camera. And so now on your screen, it should look like this. It should look very blurry. And at first you might be wondering, oh, this seems like I'm doing it wrong, but it's supposed to look like this. And what happens is, so for example, right here, I have like the eye test, but on a mini level. What happens is as you zoom in closer and closer, details should start coming into focus and your screen should be looking less blurry like this. And then what you do is you keep on kind of adjusting distance until you find the best distance so that it's completely in focus. So as you can see, you can get a really good clarity at small scales. So now just for reference, I'm going to take this off and try to take a picture at this close again. As you can see that it's just completely out of focus. They're not even E's at this point, they're just little dots. So once again, it's very easy. You just take your thing, your lens, you stick it on your smartphone camera, make sure it's covering every part. And then for those people who have multiple cameras on their phone, such as the newer iPhones, just either stick one on every single camera, or you can just, I think there's a main camera, you stick on that. You might have to play around a little bit. So yeah, once again, it's back to be blurry until we zoom in, and then we get to see these small details. So yeah, these are super easy to use, and as from the small size, they're portable, so really you could be doing this anywhere. All I have to do, put it on, take pictures. Thank you guys.